So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can add a video section on the home page of your YouTube channel. The video section is can be of any type, like you can upload, you can add the most viewed videos on the home page of your YouTube channel, so it gives a good impression to the viewers which are opening your channel. So in order to do this process, you have to just simply open the YouTube Studio on any browser. You can do the same process on a smartphone as well. For this video I'm opening the YouTube Studio on Google Chrome browser on my PC. Once I'm in my YouTube Studio, now I have to scroll down on the left window and I have to find an option of customizations. You can see it just right there. Just simply click on this option and here you will see the video spotlight section at the most top of the list. Here you have to just simply scroll down and find an option of featured section. Here just simply click on the button of add section and add the section as you want there. Like you can add the popular videos of your channel, or you can add the live past live streams on there, or you can add some created playlist as well, or the channel subscriptions. So you can add anything on the home page of your YouTube channel via this option, so that your subscriber may directly see what you want them to see. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.